G'day! In today's video I'm just going to quickly cover how to test AA and AAA batteries. The voltage of them should be the same, so the actual information here is relevant to both. What you're going to need though, hopefully you may have one floating around or know someone that does, is a multimeter. If I turn mine to V, on some of them they'll have a few more numbers. You may have V20, change it to V20 if you have a few more dials, and we should see a screen like this. What we wanted to do after that is put the red one on the positive side, or the side with the bump, and the black one on the flat side, the negative. So if I hold this on here, and then put this on top, and I move the negative, that is at 1.492, which is pretty much good, perfectly usable. On the next one here, do the same, different brand, 1.464, also very good. But this one over here, if I hook this up, minus 0.3. Something is very wrong with this battery and it's absolutely useless. But let's say I got the figure on here of 1.4 to 1.3, that's okay. If I get 1.3 to 1.1, it's getting pretty bad. And if I get anything below 0.8, it's going to be basically useless. So that's what I do to quickly test out batteries. Been getting my kids doing it, they enjoy doing it. Just something small and simple and they can read the numbers. So hopefully you can find a few more usable batteries in your house. Bye.